Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to delete Galaxy Store from Android phone. So guys, in order for you to do this, first thing that you will do is simply go to the settings on your device. And now, once you are on settings guys, just simply scroll down and go over to the apps over here. And now, once you are on the apps, just simply go to Galaxy Store. So it will be on letter G. And from here, guys, just simply tap on the Galaxy Store. And from here, you should be able to see here the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. So tap on that and tap on uninstall updates. And from here, just simply tap on OK. And from here, you should be able to uninstall the updates. And after that, just simply tap on storage over here and make sure to tap on clear cache and clear data and tap on OK. And now just simply go back to the top left corner of the screen. And guys, if the disable button at the middle down below is available, just go ahead and tap on that. But if it doesn't, just simply tap on force stop and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to delete the Galaxy Store data. And guys, sadly, you cannot entirely delete it because it is built in the Android phone. So clearly, you cannot delete it. What I showed you is the best option that you have in order for you to remove all of the data of the Galaxy Store, and that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more about Galaxy Store, and thanks for watching guys. See ya!